Alright, so for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I get for groceries, as well as how much I spend, as well as what I eat in a day as a raw alkaline vegan. Stay tuned for it, you feel me? I'm in Vilcabamba, Ecuador, so the prices are definitely going to shock you because more than likely everybody that's watching this is in America or somewhere else where it's more expensive. But with that being said, I also have to get some soap, and also I only have $50 on me, so this is going to be interesting. So this right here really doesn't even need an explanation. It's really just blueberries, raspberries, and maybe another fruit, like I think bananas or maybe a mango, with some walnuts, some hemp milk or some coconut milk. Throw all that together, as well as like some maca powder with some cinnamon and agave syrup, and boom, that is your cereal, your alkaline cereal. It's super simple, doesn't even need a recipe, but if you want the recipe, you feel me, you can get it below right now. So where I'm headed to right now is the main market area, and I'm gonna get some groceries right now. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. And now this right here is a fruit shop. I just got 14 oranges, which are called naranjas, for $1, which is $1, okay? So I got 14 of those, and now you need to go up to Marino's, which is, I was gonna say a restaurant, which is a market where I get a few things as well. He's a really cool dude, I like his energy. Also, this shop right here is where I went to go spend about $5.60 or $5.95, $6 for 3 mangoes, 2 bell peppers, and something else. But everything here is organic. And this right here is my big dog, Marino. He just got me, you know, these blackberries for I believe $1.45 or $1.50, something like that, along with some other things. And he blessed me with a very picante, a muy picante pepper. So shout out to Marino. So this right here is my lunch. It is nori wraps, nothing but alkaline ingredients. So it's chayote, tomato, zucchini, kale, some dandelion, some other greens I forgot. And then we got like a little bit of a salad with some tahini butter and some agave in that. And what I'm gonna do is mix all of this up and have a little salad to go with. Oh, and there's also some hemp seeds as well. So lots of fiber, got some iodine in there, and yeah, I'm about to smack down on this. Spicy. When they tell you something spicy out here, it is spicy. But these nori wraps is busting right now. This salad is fire. All of this is super fire. It's just super spicy. I'm just thankful that I got the sweet in there as well, because that right there will even out the spiciness that I'm experiencing. But it's like still spicy, so it's like if I was to have that without the salad or the tahini and agave, whoa, this would probably be on a whole nother level. But this right here is my lunch, and it is amazing. It's really amazing.